Debbie Bell-Hosking for FinextraTV here in London at the Sibos conference. And I'm talking to Michaela Ludbrook of Deutsche Bank. Hello.
Hello, thank you very much.
We're talking about the ever-changing securities landscape. And how, with this vast amount of data in securities post-trade, how is that leveraged to create value for the client?
Well, it's interesting, and it is an interesting question. And in the same way that in our personal lives, we expect real-time immediacy of data, transparency, life cycle, it's not surprising that that's also translating into our business world as well. And particularly in security services, where clearly we process a lot of settlements. So good news on that is there's a lot of technology that's out there now that basically allows us to bring that data together and then deliver that data to our clients in sort of a packaged up solution. And they can get the transparency and the insight into potentially how they can rationalize their processes, or also between us create operational efficiency. So it's a really exciting time to be doing that in this world.
So, I mean, how is the Deutsche Bank Securities Services team, how are they doing that? How are they, pardon me, leveraging all that data and technology to benefit the end user?
So at Deutsche, we have several, I'll call them a combination of projects, programs, and pilots taking place. In this landscape, it's actually really important to try and test a few, because in some cases, you have to do some reviews and figure out what's going to work, and you try and put yourself in the client's shoes as well to see what they're looking for. So essentially, we have a couple of ones that I really want to talk about. One is we have a project around data analytics and settlement. So understanding how and where your settlement is it matched, is it complete, also helping us to really provide a dashboard that targets where there could be potential issues and how you eliminate some of those potential issues and how you optimize your process. So we actually have a demo which shows how that's going to work, and it's quite a snazzy dashboard actually, but that's just me, to be able to do that. But it's joking aside, it's critical to be able to have that transparency, and it's a means to an end to be able to then change your processes. The second one is really around distributed ledger technology. So if you think about all the data elements that you have when you process tax events on asset holdings, that's really around that beneficial owner data. And right now, a lot of people exchange spreadsheets and emails with that sort of data. How you would eliminate that and have a sort of one data source that then you can share in a secure way with our clients, and maybe other parties, but in a very controlled way. But you have one source of the data that you can effectively share. And again, that's all about optimization and sort of having one source in one place.
So with these technology changes, and again, we're going back to the amount of data, is the role of the custodians, is that adapting?
It has to. But it's also exciting that it is. And being a sub-custodian, we clearly have an immense amount of data, because you think about all the instruments that we basically custody. Leveraging the power of that data for our clients and helping them in terms of providing value-added services and operational excellence is a key priority for us. But the other part of that story is then how can we work with other product groups? Maybe it's across our firm, maybe it's working with other product groups in our client's firm to really be able to package together solutions for them which will link some of those data elements. And I think that's going to be the ultimate power in that data model in the future.
And a lot to think about.
It's every day, and as I said, it's a great opportunity. I think the challenge, but also the fun part, is to figure out which pieces you can sort of put together in the puzzle and which technologies that you can use to do that.
Michaela, it's been lovely chatting to you. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much.